It's morning, early morning, too early morning. Just gonna rest here next to Dad. Just 5 more minutes. Just 10 more minutes. Forget it. I'm not getting up today. Take 5 more minutes. See you tomorrow. Dad thinks I have big paws. I think they're perfectly sized for sneaking around or running on snow. It's nice to get a little paw massage. Though I am quite ticklish under my paws. Have a porridge day. See you tomorrow. It is late in the evening. I am tired and just cuddle up between Dad's legs. It is nice. It is cozy. I get tons of cuddles. Dad always have a lot of cuddles in spare for me. I'm quite sure my dad loves me. Apparently, he finds it funny when I'm all curled up, so paws and nose all touch. Have a curled up evening. See you tomorrow. Dad found a nice crunchy snack for me. Tasty and crunchy, I like it. Just keep hands, fingers and toes away. This one needs a solid chew. And a few legs. I wish you all lots of crunchy treats. See you tomorrow. Good morning there. Is it time to get up? Do I have to? Ooh, that is kinda good. Good morning, Dad. I guess it's time to get up. Have an easy start on your day. See you tomorrow. Yeah. It's evening. We are tired. We are relaxing. It's cozy. And I get cuddles. Have a slow evening. See you tomorrow. Dad gave me a good cuddle on my head. So I grabbed his arm and gave him a good firm hug. It was a little dark. Dad says I got rainbow colors in the editing. Dad is sorry. He says he can't do magic. Have a rainbow day. See you tomorrow. I'm here to report on the situation in the garden, Dad. Whoops, went around Dad so fast, he slipped and landed on the floor. A couple of puppy kisses makes it all right again. The grass is all wet, the leaves are golden, and on the ground. Squirrels nowhere to be seen, but rumors are they've been behaving nuts lately. Have a reportedly safe day. See you tomorrow. I thought Dad didn't see me, but he did. I got so happy. I like when Dad sees me. Luckily, he does all the time. See someone today. See you tomorrow. Dad, I want to race. I am Speedy. That was fun. Clearly, I won. Have a fun day. See you tomorrow. It's a lovely fall day, and I'm out exercising, Dad. First, a bit of dog news. There's so many good stories here. On we go. Hi, Oscar. And now, go! Can you hear Dad huff and puff? He's going to be tired when we get home. Exercise someone you love today. See you tomorrow. Dad made a treasure hunt for me. Treats were here and there. This is hard. Was that all? Got one. None here. Now I know. A big treat. Crunchy too. This is a good game. I might need some practice. Treasure someone you hunt. See you tomorrow. I was sleeping. Dad thought I looked cute and wanted to show you. Something about a big fluffy carpet. I think he means it well. Though I can't condone filming someone asleep. Don't be a carpet. See you tomorrow. I'm a leaf in the wind. Or rather, a handful of leaves in the couch. Dad was not super impressed. Yes? Where did you get those? Wasn't me. Have a leafy day. See you tomorrow. We are going for a walk. I love it. Whee! I cannot get out here fast enough. A little too fast if you ask Dad. Hi, Oscar. But the wet ground, the fresh smells, Dad will just have to suffer through it. So many interesting things to track. And a few quick changes of direction. I have to keep Dad on his toes. I hope you're having an awesome autumn day. See you tomorrow. Sometimes in the morning, I wake up and I have not been close to Dad for a long time. So I just crawl up in bed next to him for some quality cuddles from Dad. His hands are warm and his fingers deep in my fur. Thank you, Dad. That's all a fluff could ask for. I hope you have a morning next to your loved ones. See you tomorrow. I'm king of the world. Nothing can stop me. Oh, it's raining. Well, I guess the world can wait a bit. I hear you laughing, Dad. Not okay. Conquer the world on a dry day? See you tomorrow. It's a grey work day and we are working hard. I support that all I can. It is really hard work. And back to guard duty. So hard work. Dad? Enough work now. I'm in dire need of attention. This is life. Couch, cuddles, and Dad. What more can a fluff ask for? Have a cozy evening. See you tomorrow. It is first frost. Let's go out. Wee! Crunchy crash. My favorite time of year is starting. Dad says I double my energy in frost, in wind, in snow. Going for a walk in the snowstorm, I pretty much killed Dad. Have a frosty morning. See you tomorrow. Something is up. I need to see. Even more frost and some snow. Whee! This is it. I can feel it. Winter is here. It is so much fun. This just feels right. I just enjoy being outside in this weather. Have a winter day. See you tomorrow. You want to show me something? Wait, what? Dad, there's so much snow. Whee! It is pretty. I was born for this. Snow is delicious and soft and crunchy. Hi Oscar. Some majestic strides. My fur is thick, snow don't melt on it. Have a snow-covered day. See you tomorrow. There was so much snow and frost today. I was in and out all day to get the most out of it. Playing this much in the snow has worn me out a bit. Sleep tight. See you tomorrow. It is just more fun in the garden with snow and winter. Snow is the best way to drink water, if you ask me. It is fresh, it is crispy, it tastes so good. And it feels funny on my nose. Wanna play? Snow, frost and play is a happy feeling. I can do magic. Now you see it, now you don't. And play again. That is fun to play with. He don't get really scared, but at least he acts like it. Attack! I got you! Look that. It is so pretty. More play? Nah, I'm thirsty now. Have a lovely winter day with cuddles and hot cocoa. See you tomorrow. It's raining outside. The frost is gone. The snow is gone. Just sadness all around. I'm not getting up. At least I still get cuddles from Dad. Have a non-winter day. See you tomorrow. I needed a little nap. Usually I take them in the corner. But today I felt like using my basket. I like being in tight spots. Makes me feel safe. Have a safe nap. See you tomorrow. Dad didn't feel like getting up. So I, of course, supported him and cuddled up close to him. That is the good spot. I like it when Dad don't want to get up. Hey! The cuddles are just good. and the coziness is very big. So Dad, can we stay here the rest of the day? I change position to get even closer. Now I'm halfway on top of Dad, so he really can't get up. I guess we are really staying here all day. I really like it. Dad says he needs to work, or he won't be able to buy treats. So sadly, this morning's cuddle has come to an end. Have a cozy morning. See you tomorrow. As you can see, I'm busy at my guard work. I'm lucky and do get cuddles while working. Correct working posture is very important. This way I never tired from holding my head or body. It really is very efficient. Oh, a cute dog. I want to play. Tracking mode engaged. My focus is immense. Out of range. Hope they come back. Have a focused day. See you tomorrow. Dad does a lot to try and get nice videos for you. He makes sure I get cuddles and are happy. He tries to keep the camera far enough away to keep me on screen. And here you see flailing arms as Dad turned around and locked up his feet, almost falling down the stairs. I felt it was safer to wait here for Dad to get all the way down. Guess it's safe now. I hope you enjoy the videos and cuddles. Have a safe day. See you tomorrow. I know what Dad wants. Small sounds, so I do big sounds. Always do the opposite. It's much more fun. Have an opposite day. See you tomorrow.